Here are 3 fun facts about Italian history while I show you around Lancaster Castle, a Roman fort during the famous Italian Empire's occupation of Britain, and a building distantly inspired by Roman architecture. Number 1. Parmesan cheese once funded an army. During the Middle Ages, as early as the year 1200, Parmesan was so valuable that banks accepted it as collateral for loans, and local rulers then used it to fund military campaigns. One of the most famous examples is the Credito Emiliano Bank, which has actually run a cheese vault for decades. Number 2. Italian royalty is known for its opulence, but did you know that even the royal animals lived in luxury? Royal horses had better furniture than most people. The stables in Turin and Rome were so lavish that each horse had its own marble drinking basin, and some even had embroidered bedsheets and custom saddles. Number 3. With 59 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Italy leads the world in culturally and historically protected locations. One of Italy's most famous monuments, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, took 199 years to build. Similarly, Milan Cathedral took 600 entire years to build, one of the longest building projects in history. Whether it's mighty royals or beautiful architecture, if you enjoyed being immersed in Italian history, then our Wiseward Italian immersion courses are just for you. Perfect the language you love with expert teachers and luxury accommodation while exploring sunny Florence, home of brilliant historical figures like Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Galileo. Just email or DM us to find the course that best suits you and your needs, or visit our website for more information and make your own history this summer. Don't just learn, live the language with Wiseward.